Changing your profile picture on Google Drive is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your image. Step 1. Open Google Drive. Go to the Google Drive website by entering drive.google.com in your web browser. Make sure you're logged into your Google account. Step 2. Access Google account settings. In the top right corner of the Google Drive interface, click on your profile picture or the circular icon that represents your account. A drop-down menu will appear. Select Manage your Google account. Step 3. Navigate to Personal Info. Once in the Google account settings, look for the Personal Info tab on the left side of the screen. Click on it to access your personal information settings. Step 4. Change profile picture. In the Personal Info section, you will see your current profile picture. Click on it and then select the option to change or upload a new photo. You can choose an image from your computer or select one from your Google Photos. Step 5. Save changes. After selecting your new profile picture, make sure to save the changes. Your new image will now be updated across all Google services, including Google Drive. Now you have successfully changed your profile picture on Google Drive. Enjoy your refreshed look.